Welcome back my channel. The 2025 Yamaha Grizzly 660 YFM660 continues the legacy of one of the most dependable and versatile ATVs ever built, delivering the power, durability, and comfort that off-road enthusiasts expect. Though Yamaha has expanded its utility ATV lineup in recent years, the Grizzly 660 remains a benchmark for riders seeking a rugged, reliable, and performance-focused machine for both work and play. With its time-tested design and updated features, the 2025 model builds on the Grizzly tradition, offering subtle improvements that reinforce its role as a top-tier utility quad. At the heart of the Grizzly 660 is a liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, 660cc single-cylinder engine that strikes a balance between low-end torque and top-end performance. Whether hauling gear through dense woods or powering up steep mountain trails, this engine delivers smooth and consistent power. Yamaha's Ultramatic transmission system continues to be one of the most dependable CVT systems on the market. It provides seamless automatic shifting with a centrifugal clutch that reduces belt wear and gives a natural engine braking feel when descending hills, something seasoned riders will appreciate. The 2025 Grizzly retains its compact yet aggressive stance, with high ground clearance and a wide footprint that gives it excellent stability across rough and uneven terrain. The independent double wishbone suspension system on both the front and rear helps absorb impacts from rocks, ruts, and roots. With over 7 inches of suspension travel, the Grizzly offers a plush ride even when fully loaded or towing. Speaking of load, the front and rear steel cargo racks are designed to carry a combined 286 pounds, with integrated tie-down points for securing gear. Whether you're hauling firewood, camping supplies, or hunting equipment, the Grizzly's utility is undeniable. A noticeable feature in the 2025 update is the refined ergonomic design. The seat has been redesigned with higher density foam for added comfort during long rides, and the handlebars now offer better vibration dampening. Yamaha has also introduced new handguard options and upgraded the digital display with better contrast and visibility under direct sunlight. This multifunction LCD screen shows speed, fuel level, gear indicator, hour meter, and more, giving the rider critical data at a glance. The Grizzly 660 is equipped with Yamaha's on-command 4WD system, which allows the rider to switch between 2WD, 4WD, and 4WD with differential lock at the touch of a button. This gives the ATV the adaptability it needs to traverse varying terrain conditions, from loose sand to deep mud. When 4WD with diff lock is engaged, all 4 wheels pull together with equal force, maximizing traction in the most challenging scenarios. This system has long been praised for its reliability and simplicity, and it remains a major selling point in the 2025 model. In terms of braking, the Grizzly uses dual hydraulic disc brakes at the front and a sealed, oil-bathed multi-disc system at the rear. These brakes provide solid stopping power and are less prone to fade even after long descents or repeated heavy braking. Additionally, the full-length skid plate underneath the frame protects vital components from rocks and debris, ideal for those who explore aggressive trails or rocky terrain. The 2025 Grizzly 660 is available in several color options, including classic Yamaha blue, tactical green, and camo editions for hunters. While it may not have the same flash or extreme top-end power as sport-specific ATVs, what sets the Grizzly apart is its blend of power, usability, and toughness. It's a machine built for real-world use, whether that's farming, trail riding, or backcountry exploring. For those looking for a machine that can handle all-season tasks and weekend adventures without compromise, the Yamaha Grizzly 660 YFM660 remains a strong contender. It's built to be more than just an off-road toy, it's a reliable partner in the wild. The 2025 edition doesn't reinvent the wheel but sharpens what was already one of the best utility ATVs on the market. With legendary Yamaha engineering, a proven powertrain, and rider-focused updates, the Grizzly 660 is ready to work hard and play even harder.